operation. Boost back, burn, startup.
Once again, we're going to ignite first the Center 13 engines. We should see that coming up here momentarily.
Engines in startup.
This is going to come down to 3 engines as the booster slows down for its landing. And we just heard the sonic boom. What an incredible sight to see the super heavy booster gliding down into the chopstick arms once again.
Stuck the landing.
What do you think about that?
That was pretty cool.
Right?
For an hour to watch it, yeah.
That was awesome. Never seen anything like that.
What do you think, mate?
It was awesome.
Okay.
You can feel it.
What do you think about that, mate?
Oh, that was pretty sweet, but I still don't know where that other one went.
Lost in space. What do you think?
That was good. That was cool. That's one of the. Thank you, Elon.
And we just saw some engines go out. It looks like we are losing attitude control of the ship.